everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm out here in my garage. This will be my first how it works video, and first I need to give you a little background. There's this company called Power & Sons, and Power & Sons has been around since 1932. And this family was operating a Ford dealership back in Ohio in the day, and they also had a little machine shop out in the back to repair the Model A's and the Model T's. That was during the Depression, so there was not a whole lot of selling going on. A lot of automotive parts suppliers were going out of business, and Ford Motor Company was looking for suppliers to fill the void of these lost companies. Power & Sons was known back then for their great machining capabilities. So Ford reached out to them because they needed to supplement their void of suppliers. And Power & Sons then began to produce the Pitman arm for the Model A. The Depression ended, World War II came around, they sold their dealership, and they became involved in machining for tanks and amphibious ducks and Jeeps and aircrafts. And they are so well known for their steering components in the Ford vehicles. Power & Sons now has a spin-off company called Steer Smarts, and they're involved in manufacturing steering components for the Jeep Wrangler. And one of the first components they invented, at the time it was called the steering attenuator, and now they call it the Griffin. This one is a must-have for you Jeep Wrangler owners out there. It's the performance aftermarket part, the Griffin, by Steer Smarts. Come on and take a look. And I was one of the first people they reached out to ask to test it on their Jeep. Now this was shortly after I bought my first Jeep Wrangler Sahara back in 2013, and I was really nervous because I didn't know anything about vehicles at all. I did some research. I reached out to fellow Jeepers and asked them what they thought, and they all looked into this Jeep part and they were like, wow. So I put it on my Jeep. I reached out to other Jeepers, and the word just started spreading, and it was like wildfire, and this thing just took off. And I wanted to show you here today how it works and what it is. So right here is my factory drag link. And this right here, it's a little dirty, is the steering attenuator, which they now have renamed the Griffin. And normally in the place of the steering attenuator is the adjusting sleeve. And what you do is you just take this off and you install this. And it's really easy because you can see there are two spots here where you just basically unscrew it. So this is the steering attenuator that I was given for my Jeep Wrangler, and it's now called the Griffin. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about what it does. All the Jeep suspension components are rubber isolated, so you don't get any of the road harshness through these components. However, the steering has a direct steel path from the knuckle through the linkage to the frame, and that means every impact you feel, from the small bumps on the roads to the potholes, and they're going to transfer through the drag link on your Jeep. When I first got my Jeep, driving on the interstate was an intense, exhausting drive for me, because I would have both hands on the steering wheel. They'd be white knuckled because every bump, I felt every bump in my steering wheel. And sometimes you'd hit a bump and you'd have to adjust so your Jeep wouldn't go veering off one way or another. Once the attenuator, the Griffin, was installed on my Jeep, it was such a more relaxing drive on the interstate, and I felt it immediately. On the way back from getting my attenuator installed, the Griffin installed, the drive on 95, I didn't even realize I was almost home, and I was so relaxed. It was such an easy drive. So the attenuator really made a big difference for me. If you have the Griffin on your drag link, it's going to absorb all that road harshness, and it's not going to transfer to your steering wheel. Now on the Steer Smarts website, they have a video that shows you how the Griffin is absorbing that road harshness. Check out the link in my description below. What it's going to do is reduce the oversteer that you feel and that jittery steering wheel, and it's going to improve your overall quality of driving, especially on the interstates and the highways at higher speeds. I have found it does not impact my off-road driving capabilities whatsoever. What the Griffin does, it will help give you more control over your steering. Since the Griffin, Steer Smarts has expanded their steering products for the Jeep Wrangler. They now have upgraded drag links and tie rods, the Yeti steering system. And right now that is on my Jeep. And I'll tell you what, they are some amazing components Super easy to install in your Jeep, and there's many different versions. You really should check out their website. Now, I will have a video later on in a couple of weeks on the Yeti steering system and how it's worked for me and how simple it is to install. Don't forget to check out the steersmarts.com website for all the great products they have and their how-tos and how everything works. And please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to more of Jeep Momma.